Hi YouTube. Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening from wherever you're watching from. Yeah, so quick one. Yeah, I want to do a quick trade breakdown of my first trade for the year, which was a loss. And I just want to sort of like share with you guys what I did following my trading plan, and then also what I could have done better, right? So on Thursday, which was the 2nd of January, I was looking to enter for a sell, but based off of my strategy, I don't enter a trade until 8 a.m. in the morning, London session. So I had all the confirmations prepared for me to get into a sell, right? But then I was waiting for, this is 8 o'clock candle, right? I was waiting for this 8 o'clock candle to come and tap this area, this low, and then I already put my pending order there, my pending order for a short here, and then I had 20 pips stop loss, right? So my target is at least a 1 to 3 or a 1 to 5, whatever. So but then market came close to the area, as you can see, but it didn't get tapped in, and then I just let the trade run. Eventually it was a big move, like it was really a big move, and then I felt a little bit some sort of pain in a way. 160 pips is a lot on GU, right? On GBPUSD, 160 pips. But then the question I asked myself is this: why am I paying for missing out on a trade? I did everything that was required of me according to my strategy to get into a trade, and then I was prepared to enter. But then the market didn't come into my area to trigger me. So probably should I have gotten into the trade when there was a break of structure here or here or here? Absolutely. I saw the opportunity to get into it. But according to my trading, according to my strategy and my trading plan, this is no entry for me. This is no entry for me. So I left it. So I just told myself, this is just an opportunity missed. The year is just beginning, and then I'm still gonna get tons of opportunities to enter a trade, right? So fast forward to my first loss of the year. I saw this. Let me just sort of mark this. There's a change of break of structure here. Market was doing lower lows, lower high, lower lows, and then this area sort of get like held, and then we form like a mini triple top and then a turnaround. Once this structure was broken to the upside, and then a retest, further break, and then this is another structure, right? This is another one. So let me just just make this like this. So I looked at this. My idea was to sort of like take a buy initially, because I already had a shift of structure, and then this formation here, which is evening star, I think, gave me sort of like a confirmation for a buy, right? But then for me to have a confirmation that this is a buy, the next candle is supposed to close bullish, which it didn't. As a result, this triggered for me, based off of my strategy, to take a sell. So other confluences for me to take a sell was a trend line here, as well as my psychology level. So this indicated for me to take a trade, a sell rather. So if I change to line chart, you're gonna see obviously that we have this and then this. But furthermore, I got into the trade. I think somewhere here, I got into the trade on the psychology level, and then my stop loss was 20 pips. So yeah, and then my target was 1 to 3. But the market played around, went up a little bit, almost stopped me out, but then came back. I left it. I didn't touch it. But then I noticed something, that this area came back to retest the first time. Did bounce back up. Came back to retest this area. There is also a low here. So some people might say maybe this is, I don't think it's liquidity grab or whatever, but market came to this area, and then I was looking at it. Okay, if we have a continuation below here, I will keep holding the trade. But then the market reversed, and then I immediately closed my trade in small loss after seeing this bullish candle, right? Because I just felt like this is no longer my trade, because the confirmations are not, they are not pulling out through for me to continue holding for a sell. And then eventually I eventually got stopped out. You can see market went up, came down again close to the stop loss, and then this happened again close to the stop loss, eventually got hit. So this was on a Friday, which also indicated that there was no too much volume. If I put on my volume indicator, you will see that the volume was very low throughout the whole Friday. It was just this area that I think there was a news at 3 p.m. New York session that only brought about some small volume, and that was it for the day. So that's it. Looking forward into the new week. I hope I get a good trade. I hope fingers crossed. Let's see what the market is gonna give. But then I took a small loss of about 0.2% on this trade, and then yeah, that's it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you.